Hey, what's going on guys, it's me Saurav here from Techie World, back again with another video. And in this video I am going to show you one of the best ultimate storage solution for your MacBooks. So here's the thing, I recently purchased a 15-inch MacBook Pro with 512 GB of internal storage. I actually went to the Apple store to buy the 1 TB variant, but when I inquired there, they were charging $400 extra for the 1 TB variant. I was hesitating to pay extra freaking $400 for just another 512 GB of storage, but then that's the reason why I got the 512 GB variant of MacBook Pro. I tried searching for something which can give me both speed and also at a good price. So then I found out this. So enters the Samsung T5 SSD, which is an external SSD by Samsung, which gives read and write speed of up to 500 Mbps. Don't believe me? Let's unbox this and set it up for a first ride. First we get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It's great for us MacBook Pro users. Then you get the boring stuff. Finally, the SSD. So now let's test this bad boy. As you can see, it gives write speed of over 480 Mbps and read speed of over 520 Mbps, which is incredible. Let's take a look at the price. It's just $98 in US, comparing to the price of Apple, which they were charging for extra 512 GB of storage, which was $400. $98 is freaking cheap. You can get 4 such SSDs at that price. If you are in India, you need to spend somewhere around 8,500 rupees. That's what I actually spent for this. So this is for those who don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on Apple storage, but still want to able to enjoy the facilities that an SSD can provide. A good storage with a great speed. That's what we all need, right? So you get that in this price. And the best part of this SSD is the compact size. It is so tiny that it fits in your palm. You can easily put it inside your pocket, in the side pocket of your bag, or anywhere else. It's even smaller than a 5000 mAh power bank. It's that small, and it doesn't even have any kind of weight. It's not even as heavy as a cell phone's battery. That's how light it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm trying to bring this kind of small videos which are even informative, and you guys will love to see it. I will try to keep a cinematic touch in every video of mine from now on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also do follow me on Instagram if you don't want to miss any kind of updates. I even post a lot of good contents there. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you have anything to say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Saurav here from Techie World signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.